Guess what? They dropping bombs on Brooklyn too.
Right.
They've been dropping bombs on Brooklyn way before Palestine.
That's right.
They've been dropping bombs on Brooklyn for quite some time now. Now, black man, instead of getting mad at me because I'm insane crip and you sex, money, murder, why don't we come together and hate the man that's hating us? Why don't we do that? Instead of you being the Latin king and I'm being in the blood, why don't we come together? Instead of you hating me because of where I'm from in my block, why don't we come together? Because we got an enemy that's destroying us. That's destroying us. You understand? Black man, the season of trying to be tough is out. Don't you know who the real gangster is? Gangsters own real estate.
Right.
Gangsters own private prisons. Gangsters have their own community with their own police. Gangsters run Wall Street and the Diamond District.
Right.
Black, Latino, and Native gangsters run their goddamn mouth. You understand? The white man looks at us as being chumps, suckers. We fell for the okie doke. He's the pimp, and we the bottom hoe. You understand? That's in their mind. You know why? Because they can come here and do these things and watch us fight each other like some pit bulls, like some rats. You understand? God said that white man is of the synagogue of Satan. He said, you're rich through all your pain, losing your father, your mother on drugs, your brother in prison, your sister getting abortions left and right. Maybe she's depressed. She's upset. You got your own kids. They messing around with gangs and all on TikTok and all of that. God said you're still rich.
That's right.
God said, don't you know who you are? You're the chosen people of God, according to the Bible. According to the Bible. Now, I know Pastor Porkchop is not going to tell you that. Ain't no money in telling you how great you are.
Right.
Ain't no money in curing you. It's only money in putting a Band-Aid on your spirit. We don't put Band-Aids. We heal. You understand? We heal. And that's what we have to do as a community, is understand exactly who we are and know who the enemy is.
Right.
You understand? And know who the enemy is. We don't got time to be shooting each other because someone stared at you too long. We ain't got time to hate each other because somebody bumped into you, because somebody cut you off in traffic. Little petty stuff. And as we sit there and fight, look at these skyscrapers up here. Jewish people run this. Jewish people run this. And God said they are the synagogue of Satan. Go to Deuteronomy 28. Go to verse 40 or 43. No, matter of fact, go to Jeremiah 14 and 2. We're going to stay in the scriptures. You understand? We're going to stay right here in the scriptures and let you know, black man, Latino man, Native American man, you're the chosen people of God. You are the chosen people of God, and that the Jewish nose man, that big nose man is the devil. He's an absolute devil. How do I know? The scripture said he's the synagogue of Satan. You understand? Don't get mad at me. God said it. He said it 2,000 plus years ago. I'm just reciting what he said. You understand? Would you believe it if it was in a Hallmark card? Would you believe it then? You understand? Your Most High God said that that big-nosed parakeet, having nose man is the damn devil. You understand? Read what you got. 14 and 2.
Jeremiah chapter 14 verse 2. Judah mourneth.
Say it again.
Judah mourneth.
He said Judah mourneth. This is where you get the word Jew from. The word Judah. Said the Jews are mourning. Said the Jews are mourning. This is what the scriptures say. Go ahead.
And the gates their language.
Now what are the gates? Gates are to protect. They say the Jews, their protection is weak. Well, our protection is weak. How do we know? Look at the Christian church. The Christian church made $420 billion a year. And we are struggling and hurting. Meanwhile, Abuela is putting all her money in the Catholic Church. She up there listening to Father Anthony and ain't getting a goddamn thing in return. You understand? Not a damn thing in return. She got to leave that church and get on a train and take a bus and everything else to get back home and pray to God she won't get bust upside her head. You understand? The Christian church is garbage. Our leaders are weak, according to the scriptures. Go ahead.
They are black.
Say it again.
They are black.
Say it again.
They are black onto the ground.
What does that mean? It says the Jews are black unto the ground. What does that mean? Just like the ground. What is the ground? Dirt. You got brown dirt. You got black dirt. You got sand colored dirt. You got clay colored dirt. Well, hell, it say, well, that's not the dirt, the concrete. I don't see no damn white concrete, do you?